Hi there, my name is Jash Sharma and I am from University School of Automation and Robotics. Today, I will be representing Sentinel Mark II on the behalf of my team. So let's get started. Sentinel Mark II, a tool for crime analysis and prediction. We have integrated data from multiple sources, making our model comprehensive and cutting edge. Sentinel Mark III will build on this foundation, making it even more robust and responsive. Sentinel Mark II addresses public safety concerns, particularly around crime against women, providing real-time data analytics to help law enforcement act proactively. Mark III will enhance this with Google Maps integration, real-time location tracking, and deep neural network for better predictions. So, Sentinel Mark II allows CSV uploads, making it easy to analyze large crime datasets. User can visualize patterns and identify crime prospects. I uploaded my 200 MB file and here you can see this. Our model generates crime distribution chart displaying trends across areas. Mark III will add gender-based analysis for deeper insights. Now moving to crime intensity map. If we zoom in, we can see there are different locations. The crime intensity map highlights concentrated crime zones based on the particular locations. This can help the law enforcement to make sure that they can allocate the resources according to the needs. Mark III will integrate Google Maps and Random Forest Classifier for more detailed interactive map for the users. Now, we have a section that includes anonymous message sending for reporting as suspicious activities and a crime news section focused on Delhi for real-time collaboration. Here is that section that gives the latest crime news. We also have a special section of crime against women that shows the analytics from 2012 to 2021. We provide real-time safety alert for nearby threats. But a special feature we are expecting from Mark III is that our introduction of travel itinerary planner with safety scorecards powered by real-time tracking and location sharing. Sentinel Mark II tracks historical trends in crime against women. Mark III will add gender distribution analytics, identifying risky situations like a lone woman at night. We will also make sure that Mark III has a special feature of SOS button integrated with Twilio SMS that is already available in Mark II for anonymous reporting, along with gesture recognition to automatically alert authorities. Now I will be showing you a special feature of Mark II, that is crime map. The crime probability map predicts the likelihood of crime in certain areas. Like if we can see here, the probability of murder is 0.49% in a particular location that has been shown here. The red display high alert area, yellow as medium, and green as low alert area. We will make sure that we use deep neural networks and as well as Google Map integration for seamless action. Model evaluation matrices. What makes Sentinel Mark II a revolutionary idea? It is that we have tested Sentinel Mark II using matrices like mean squared error, ensuring accuracy. So, in summary, Sentinel Mark II has made significant strides in crime prevention. Mark III will be more powerful with real-time alerts, SOS button, Google Map integration, and travel itinerary planner. So that was it from my side, and I will be expecting Sentinel Mark III soon.